Imagine it's the 4th of July, 1924. In the vibrant city of Tijuana, Mexico, a culinary legend is about to be born. Meet Caesar Cardini, an Italian-born restaurateur who owned a popular eatery in Tijuana. To escape prohibition in the U.S., many Americans flocked to his establishment for good food and legal libations. On that fateful July 4th, an unexpected rush of customers left the kitchen with dwindling supplies. Ever the innovator, Cardini crafted a new dish from the remaining ingredients. He combined crisp romaine lettuce, a lightly coddled egg, olive oil, fresh lemon juice, Worcestershire sauce, and Parmesan cheese. Tossed together, this creation was an instant sensation. Adding to its charm, the salad was prepared tableside, offering diners both a culinary delight and a captivating show. Originally, the recipe didn't include anchovies. The subtle fish flavor came from Worcestershire sauce. Later, variations with anchovies sparked debates among food enthusiasts. From its humble beginnings in Tijuana, the Caesar salad has become a global culinary staple, beloved for its rich flavors and simple preparation. Today, chefs around the world put their own spin on the classic Caesar salad, adding ingredients like grilled chicken, bacon, or avocado, making it a versatile dish for any palate. Caesar Cardini's legacy lives on, not just in the salad that bears his name, but in the spirit of culinary innovation and creativity. Next time you savor a Caesar salad, remember its unexpected Mexican roots and the creativity that turned limited ingredients into a timeless classic. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more intriguing food stories from around the world.